So when we talk about real life quantities and not necessarily compounding money, we've got a different equation. So when a real life quantity decreases by a fixed percent each year, so it's going down in value, the amount of the quantity after 2 years can be modeled by the equation y equals a times 1 minus r to the power of t. So a is still your initial amount, and r is the percent decrease. So the whole quantity, 1 minus r, is the decay factor. So like if you're decaying by 10%, 1 minus 0.1 or 10% is 90. So the decay factor is 0.90. And y is just your end amount. So we've got this equation for when something decreases, and then if it increases, the only thing that changes is your sign. So if it's decreasing, your percent is going to subtract, and if it's increasing, you're going to add this percentage. And 1 plus r, we call it the growth factor because you're growing. So I'm going to do number 4 with you, and then have you guys try the last one. So it says a new snowmobile costs $4,200, and the value of the snowmobile decreases by 10% each year. So it wants us to write an exponential decay model giving the snowmobile's value after 2 years. So it wants just a general equation first. So if we're trying to figure out the value y after so many years, we know that it starts at a value of $4,200, and it's decreasing, so we're going to subtract from 1.10 because that is your rate, 0.10. And right now we're just doing, in general, t number of years. So then B says, okay, well, what is it worth if we're trying to find the value after 3 years? So we just do 4,200 times 1 minus 0.10 to the third power. So you guys would type that right into your calculator, and you would just get 3,061.80. Again, if you guys are off by a couple of cents, it's not a big deal, but I want to see the equation and your answer, not just the answer, because if it's worth a couple of points and you have the wrong answer, you get all the points taken off, not just some of them, because at least then know where you started. So go ahead and try number 5. Now the only difference is that this is increasing, so you're going to use the equation with 1 plus r to the power of t. So just be paying attention to your wording in these, but other than that, you're just plugging in your values.